Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Today is 6th May 2021 and the day is Thursday. This is your English literature period. Now we are going to continue the Victorian adventure, page number 17. The Queen grandchildren look at the Biff, Chip and Kipper. They are my new friends, said Vicky. They have come to play tonight. Great. Now we can have some real fun, said one of the grandchildren. When the grandchildren see Biff, Chip and Kipper, so Vicky said that they are my friends and they come to play tonight. Okay, then the grandchildren said that, means great, and we have some real fun now. The children played together. First they play hide and seek, then they play tag. After that they play hopscotch. Biff and Chip taught them how to play basketball. So the children play together. First what they play hide and seek, then they play tag game. Tag. After that they play hopscotch. This is hopscotch, and then they play. Biff and Chip taught them how to play basketball. This is a basketball. This is a good game, said one of the grandchildren. How did you learn to play it? We saw it on television, said Chip. Oh, what? Asked Jack. Oh, never mind, said Chip. So, one of the grandchildren said that this is a good game. How you learn to play? Chip answered that we saw it on television. Jack said, what? Chip said, never mind, because they are in old time now. It's fun playing in a palace, said Kipper. But will we see Queen Victoria? I hope not, said Vicky. We should not be here. So the Kipper enjoyed a lot, and he said that will we see Queen Victoria? Vicky said, I hope not. It if the grown up find out, there will be a trouble. At that manner a grown up up at that moment a grown up came in and saw them. Oh no, said everyone, trouble. So they said that if the grown up find out, we will be in trouble, or there will be in trouble. At that moment a grown up came in and saw them, and everyone said, oh no, trouble. Trouble means problem. The grown ups were very cross. Cross means angry. They were cross with all the children, not with Biff, Chip, Jack, Vicky. They cross with all of them. I told you there would be trouble, said Vicky, and Vicky said that I told you that there would be trouble. The royal grandchildren were sent to bed. A policeman came to take the others away. So the royal grandchildren sent to their beds, and the policeman came and take the other away to the police station. This is a serious matter, said the policeman. You are not allowed to play with the queen's grandchildren. Come along with me. So the policeman said, this is a very serious matter and you are not allowed to play with the queen grandchildren, so come with me. And he took them to a police station. The children were taken to a police station. They were locked up. You cannot go home until we find your mother and father, said policeman. Oh no, said Biff, we will be here forever. The policeman locked up them in lockup, and he said that you will not go until we find your parents. Na? So the Biff said that, oh, we will live, we will be here forever. I don't like this adventure, said Kipper. It isn't much fun. We want the magic key to glow, but it would not work. So the Kipper said that it's not. I don't like this adventure, and he wants the magic key to glow, but it's not. The next day, an important man came to see the children. The queen sent for you. He said, the queen has sent for you. He said, come with me. The policeman let them out. So next day, an important man came to see the children, and he said that the queen has sent for you, and he asked them to come with me. The policeman allowed them to go with him. The important man took them to Buckingham Palace. Do you think we are going to have our heads chopped off? Said Kipper. So the important man took them to Buckingham Palace, and the keeper said, "Do you think that we are going to?" Means he's thinking, he think that they have that to have or they chop their heads. Gran was having tea with Queen Victoria. Gran said, "Chip, what are you doing in our adventure?" "I am having an adventure of my own," said Gran. When they reached the palace, inside the palace, they saw their Gran and she has having tea with Queen Victoria. The children were surprised to see Gran, and they asked her, "What are you doing here? What are you doing in our adventure?" So the Gran said that I having an adventure of my own. This is my own adventure. Queen Victoria looked at all the children and smiled. "Your grandmother has told me that you are good children," she said. "You can play with my grandchildren and stay duty." Then the Queen Victoria looked at the children with smile, and she said that your grandmother told me that you are good children and you can play with my grandchildren. Then we have tea. The children played in the throne room. They had a sack race. Come on, Biff called Gran. "Come on, Vicky," called the Queen. "This is fun," everyone said. That where the children play, they play in the throne room, and they have a sack race. This is a jute bag, and they are going to wear it, and they are hopping or jumping on after wearing it. Oh, so it's called sacre. "Come on, Biff," called Gran. "Come on, Vicky," called the Queen. The Queen and Gran cheering them. Come on, and they have fun. This is fun. "You can have one more race," said the Queen, "and then it will be time for tea. I hope you like scones and homemade strawberry jam." The Queen said that you have one more race, and then it will time for tea, and I hope you like to eat scones and homemade strawberry jam. The magic key began to glow. It was time for the adventure to end. "Goodbye," said Kipper. "Thank you for having us. It was a pleasure." "It was a pleasure," said Queen Victoria. "Do come again." So the magic key began to glow, and it's time for the adventure end. "Goodbye," said Kipper, "and thank you for uh, for having us." "And it's pleasure," said the Queen, and she invited them to do come again. Okay, this is the story. See you in Victorian Adventure. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.